Yes, my beloved people of God, I remain your beloved Ekene. I've asked myself some questions, and I know that everyone living on this planet have similar question. I know you might know the answer. Like this platform, we can as well share ideas. You can write, you can send your own podcast or your voice messages. You can as well do your video. We are here to share our experiences. And the little you contribute will bless thousands of people out there. You never can tell. And so as we grow together, back to what I mean, what I want to say is that I want to share my observation about peace. Why is it that some people, most rich guys, are so worn out, stressed, so uncomfortable, but they are rich? Some of the guys I've met, they are rich, they have all it takes to be happy, but they are not peaceful. I have also been able to discover the difference when you say one is happy and one is peaceful. So many people you see out there, they are not peaceful. I will not take you long, but I will want you to know it is very important for us to deal with this topic. So I have decided to run a series to bring in all I know and all I could think of for one to maintain a peace from above in your life. In this series, I will be running 5 different sections. I want us to really try to listen to them, also reply. I also want to grow and do better from your comments below, your own voice message. The topic says the 5 ways to have peace with God, yourself, and others. 5 ways to have peace with God, yourself, and others. We can have a lot of things in our life. Money, friends, connection. But if you don't have peace, those things will be fake. I bet you they are all fake. You can never enjoy them the way God intended. You can never. It's impossible. A very rich guy, like I saw the other day on the news, very rich, he committed suicide. And the report says he was unhappy. And in fact, I don't want to emphasize on what really the outcome. All those are alleged and one cannot really tell. But I bet you he's unhappy. The guy was completely bankrupt with peace. But I have also seen a pastor. Recently we heard of a pastor who shot himself, or who shot his wife and shot himself. These are all the problems we're having. So it's not about people outside Christianity or outside God. The Bible says, my people perish for lack of knowledge. It's also people who are in Christ. People who don't know that they are already running out of peace. It's just like some people who have car. If you have a car and your car is running out of gas because the speedometer is not there for you to check, or you were not paying attention. When you run out of gas, you are in problem. When you run out of gas, you will get stuck on the road. If we can gauge ourselves and know that the peace of God is not just having peace with God, it requires having peace with yourself, with your neighbor. And it takes this trait to make a full dose. So, and in the book of Peter 3, verse 11, it says, let him search for peace and seek it eagerly. You see, searching for peace or seeking for it eagerly is a big force. It's an action. It means you don't just merely desire it. You don't just have that want or prayer. You run after it. That is what there is talking about. You have to run after it. You have to pursue it. Pursue is a great, strong word. It takes an action. It's not just desiring. Like, I'm trying to make us know that we have to pursue peace. Yes, I know some people around you are never gonna admit to live in peace with you. Yes, I know some couples have, in fact, decide to live in agony, in a like cat and rat. Yes, I know some of your beloved brother, flesh and blood relatives are no more ready. They have sworn to make life bitter for you. Yes, I know even some parents have sworn to be a problem for their children or vice versa. But all this does not make Peter not to say what he wanted to say. We pursuing peace is a perfect will of God. And I will stop here. I wish to see you section. Please don't miss it. Thank you.